Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday and katatapos ko lang din mag-prepare. So, samahan nyo ako guys, pumasok na sa work. So, since it's Friday, naka-Goodyear uniform tayo today. So, yan, samahan nyo ako guys, punta na tayo sa work. So, ginagawa mo! Let's go guys! So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work. So, actually, katatapos ko lang din mag-breakfast nito. And then, another mode of working na naman tayo. So, yan, samahan nyo muna ako guys mag-work. So, stay tuned guys. So, yan guys, still working. So, anyway, as what you have noticed sa mga vlog ko, it's a daily routine na from bahay to work. So, yun lang yung nagiging routine ko. So, kapag namamasyal kami, yun lang din. Kasi guys, it's my daily routine guys. So, parang it's a normal for me na, yun, nagva-vlog ako everyday. But, it's a routine only. So, kapag may mga event, yun, nagkakaroon ng different vlog. Pero, kung it's a normal day, yun, nasa bahay work lang talaga ako. So, please bear with me guys. So, yun, share ko lang. So, anyway guys, hindi pa ako tapos mag-work. So, tapusin ko lang din yung work ko. So, stay tuned guys. So, while working talaga guys, hindi mawawala yung chikahan, tawanan. So, sobrang taba lang ng puso dito sa environment kasi sobrang healthy talaga. So, anyway guys, after work, susunduin pala ako ni Nick. So, it's been 2 days na wala siya dito sa Calbayog kasi nga, na-deploy siya dun sa island. So, yun, kararating lang din niya today. So, mamaya after work, susunduin niya na ako. So, yun, as what you have noticed guys, bigla ako nagutom. So, buti na lang is, meron akong baon sa mga topper ko ng biscuit. So, yun, mag-merienda lang muna ako guys. So, stay tuned guys. So, yun guys, nandito na kami sa bahay and as what you have noticed, bumili kami ng merienda ni Nick. So, in this moment talaga guys, while kumakain kami, bigla ako nag-breakdown and hindi ko din alam kung ano yung reason. Basta sobrang bigat lang ng pakiramdam ko na gusto ko siyang ilabas kasi nga sobrang bigat and sobrang sakit ng nalaman ko. Pero, well, it's my personal na lang muna. So, anyway guys, after nito, umuwi din siya agad. So, yan. That's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. So, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So, yan. Bye guys!